Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video I'll be making an update to the video I made just about 3 days ago in regards to AmzDoge. Okay, now if you are new to this project, is actually a project called AmzDoge that pays 3% daily to its subscribers. Okay, so I actually came in with 50 USDT just about 3 days ago, and I've earned 4.7, almost 5 USDT on this. Okay, let me quickly show you that. If I go here, if I go to this finished, you can see I came in with 50. You can see this is 50 USDT. Then the next day I chose 24 hours circle, okay, because they actually have different circle. I chose 24-hour circle, and after that 24-hour circle it returned 51.1 USDT to me. Okay, then I restaked that 51 USDT, and now after two days, 72 hours, after 72 hours, now I have 54.7 USDT, almost $5 worth of USDT in profit, okay, in 4 days. Okay, and so that is what you actually gain for joining AmzDoge. Okay, mind you, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I actually invest my fund in, and I make passive income. Okay, if you decide to join, I'm going to be dropping a link right below this video. The first link in the description of this video is going to be a link to AmzDoge. Okay, it's actually a nice way to earn passively from the DeFi space. Okay, so you can see just with 50 USDT I've earned almost 5 USDT in 3 days. So it's a positive one for me. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, okay, from AmzDoge, because some of my followers actually wanted me to make a live withdrawal so that they will see exactly how this thing actually works. Okay, and if you are yet to join and you probably want to join, okay, what you just need to do first and foremost is for you to come up here. Okay, after clicking the link below the video, you come up here, you click on this recharge. Okay, you click on this recharge, right? Then you're going to click on this button here. You're going to choose this, click on confirm. Okay, you're going to choose TRC20 here. Okay, you click on done, then you're going to click on confirm. It will take you through the process. You click on this recharge, it's going to give you the address. You click on this recharge, you're going to put the amount you want to come in with here. Let's say you want to come in with 100 or 1000, or say 1000. You're going to click on recharge. Okay, then it's going to give you the USDT wallet address. You can see the address here. You're going to copy the wallet address here. Then you go to either your Binance, Trust Wallets, MetaMask, wherever you're going to be sending the fund from, and sending that exact amount, okay, into this wallet just copied here, and in just some minutes it's going to appear here. Okay, your fund is going to appear here. I would advise you also to know the step-by-step. I'm going to be dropping the link to the first video I actually created that shows you the step-by-step on how to actually invest with AmzDoge. I'll be dropping that link also in the description of this video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, now we're going to go to the withdrawal. Okay, so for you to actually withdraw, first and foremost, you need to come down here, click on this wallet address here. Okay, you click on this wallet address here. In one case I've actually attached my wallet address already. Okay, but if you want to go through the step right from the beginning, it's just very simple. You copy your wallet address either from Binance, MetaMask, or wherever. You're going to paste it here. Okay, you're going to paste it here, and it's going to take you through the process. Okay, the process is very simple. Okay, so right now I'm going to be making the withdrawal. Okay, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this withdrawal. So when you click on withdrawal, you can see automatically it's going to show me the amounts that I actually have here. Okay, now this withdrawal I'm going to be making, I just want to make it to confirm to some of my followers who asked me to go ahead and do that, just for you to know that actually this thing pays. Okay, after I do this withdrawal, I'm going to send the money back into the account again. So this is just for educational purpose. I'll be making this withdrawal. Now the withdrawal fee is actually 0.3%. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here now is say I should enter the amount that I want to withdraw. So I'm going to put 54 here. I'm going to put 54 here. Sorry about this. I'm going to put 54 here. Then I'm going to scroll down. Then I'm going to put in my payment password here. Okay, so let me quickly put in my payment password. So I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so as you can see now, the money has actually left my account. So you can see the balance I have here now is just 0.7807. okay, so as soon as the money drops in my Binance account, okay, as soon as the money drops in my Binance account, I'm still also going to show you. Remember, we withdraw 54 USDT. So as soon as the money drops in my Binance account, I'm going to show you the money just for you to confirm that AmzDoge actually pays. And I guess I forgot to tell you this right from the beginning. You can actually withdraw your capital, okay? Not just your interest. You can actually withdraw your capital from AmzDoge, okay? Your capital and your interest. You can withdraw everything if you so wish. But remember that if you leave it in here, then definitely you're going to keep accruing profit upon profit every day, okay? So, I'm going to get the money in my Binance account. Then I'm also going to send it back to AmzDoge to keep printing profit for me, okay? Like I rightly told you, I'm not your financial advisor, but if you feel like you want to make some profit from DeFi, then you can go ahead and join this project. The link again will be in the description of this video, okay?
A few minutes later.
So you can see here, I just logged into my Binance account. So you can see the 54 USDT that I sent for AmzDoge just got credited into my account. And this actually took less than 3 minutes. In 2 minutes and some seconds, the money got credited into my account. Let me come down here and click on the USDT here. So you can see this is the fund that I withdrew from AmzDoge that got credited into my account, okay? So I believe you've seen that the withdrawal of capital and interest is possible from AmzDoge, okay? So do your due diligence, and if you want to go ahead with this project, like I rightly said, the link is in the description of the video, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.